What if I told you that some people are quietly turning a few $100s into thousands, not by working extra hours, but by owning pieces of the biggest companies in the world? And here's the crazy part. Most beginners think investing in stocks is complicated, risky, and only for rich people. But in 2026, thanks to AI and new investing tools, getting started is easier than ever. The real question is, will you be one of the people building wealth over the next decade? Or one of the people wishing they had started earlier? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners can start investing in stocks in 2026. Make sure you stay until the end because I'll also reveal one free tool that can save you hours of research every single week. 1. Stop looking for the next big stock. Most beginners spend their time searching for the next company that will explode, but successful investors focus on finding great businesses that can grow for years. Instead of chasing hype, look for companies with strong profits, growing customers, and products people use every day. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to own assets that become more valuable over time. 2. Use AI to research stocks faster. One of the biggest advantages investors have in 2026 is AI. Instead of reading hundreds of pages of financial reports, AI tools can summarize earnings reports, identify risks, and explain complex financial data in minutes. This allows beginners to understand companies much faster than investors could a few years ago. The people who learn to combine investing with AI will have a huge advantage. 3. Use these essential investing tools. Here are some tools many investors are using in 2026. 1. TradingView for analyzing stock charts and market trends. 2. Yahoo Finance for company news, earnings reports, and financial data. 3. FinViz for finding stocks that match specific criteria. 4. Geeking Alpha for investor opinions and stock analysis. Checked and AI research tools. 4. Simplifying financial information and generating investment ideas. 4. Subscribe before you miss the next opportunity. If you're learning how to build wealth through investing in smart financial strategies, subscribe to this channel right now. We post practical investing ideas, emerging trends, and wealth-building strategies designed for beginners. 5. Invest consistently instead of timing the market. Many people wait for the perfect moment to invest. The problem is nobody consistently predicts the perfect time. A smarter approach is investing regularly every month. Consistency often beats perfect timing. 6. Watch where big money is going. Retail investors usually react after a trend becomes popular. Professional investors often spot opportunities much earlier. Pay attention to industries attracting major investments such as artificial intelligence, DF robotics, cybersecurity, renewable energy, and advanced healthcare technologies. 7. Think like an owner, not a trader. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of a business. Ask yourself, would I still want to own this company 5 years from now? If the answer is yes, you may have found a quality investment. In conclusion, investing in stocks in 2026 isn't about luck. It's about using the right tools, understanding great businesses, and staying consistent over time. If you had $1,000 to invest today, which stock or industry would you choose and why? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's discuss it.